I'm your organic PT and I'm going to talk to you about the ancient art of companion planting. So companion planting is where you plant one plant next to another in order to help it grow, and humans have been doing it for thousands of years. It's kind of an organic solution for lots of different problems. Certain plants help to bring pollinators in, certain plants help to keep pests away, and certain plants help to fix nutrients in the soil. Here are a couple of examples. Marigolds are an absolutely fantastic companion plant for loads of different things. When in doubt, plant marigolds as a companion. They're really good at the base of tomatoes, again, fantastic with pumpkins and courgettes and squashes. They attract really predatory insects like your ladybirds and your beetles and things like that, and they'll eat your pests. So marigolds are a really good one. I dot these around all over my vegetable plot, to be honest. Next we have beans. So beans are what we call a nitrogen fixing plant. Beans, peas and legumes are all nitrogen fixers. Now most plants need and absorb nitrogen up through the soil, whereas beans actually take nitrogen from the air and put it back into the soil, if that makes sense. So they're a really important crop, and actually farmers use beans and legumes quite a lot in seasonal crop rotations. So they're a really important plant and a great companion for lots of other vegetables as well. Other great companion plants are things like Nasturtiums. I have planted these in my pumpkin patch before and they worked really, really great. They've got really bright these coloured flowers, and they brought in loads of pollinators. They help to keep some of the pests at bay. They're just a really great companion for all over the plot, especially if they're near brassicas, because cabbage whites and caterpillars actually really like to lay their eggs and munch on these. So they're a bit of a sacrificial plant for your vegetable plot, but it works. And then Comfrey. Comfrey is one of my all-time favourite plants, and it's an amazing companion plant. That and borage. They attract lots of predatory insects. They're a really great pollinator, so they will bring pollinators to your plot. And another reason that I love comfrey is that I plant it near my compost heap as well, and you can actually use this in your compost. So it's just a useful plant to have on your plot as well. So there's a couple of useful and companion plants for in between your veggies. Let me know what you think in the comment section below.